I'm back again, Italian Mama, and guess what I'm making today? Eggplant Parmesan. This is one of my favorite recipes. When you buy the eggplants and you go to the store, you get nice, shiny, firm eggplants, not soft. I don't know if this is an old wife's myth, but if you notice on the bottom, you see a long line or a circle. One is a female, one's a male. Now you gotta buy the ones that are long because there's less seeds in them. If you get the round ones, it's a female and it's full of seeds. So we have the two males here. These are the ingredients that I use for my eggplants. Flour, beaten eggs, seasoned breadcrumbs, and oil, vegetable oil. You also need mozzarella cheese and red sauce, which I have on the stove on the pot. So now we're going to get started. First, I'm going to cut off both ends of the eggplant. And now we're going to peel it. I cut about a 1/4 inch thick. You don't want them too thin because when they cook, they fall apart. Cut off the stem and cut off the back. I have the flour here. I dip it in flour because they say it soaks up less oil. Now you're going to dip it in the eggs. You don't use two hands. You do this, turn it over, and then with this hand, I'm heating up the vegetable oil now, and then I'll start frying. I want them to be golden brown on each side. I'm all done frying the eggplants, and now I'm going to put everything together. I have my sauce here, my mozzarella cheese here, my Parmesan cheese here. You could use your own sauce or jar sauce, whatever you want. Now just put a thin layer on the bottom, cover the whole pan. I like to cover the whole pan. I'm going to get the slices and I'm going to lay them down. Now I'm going to put another layer of sauce on it. Parmesan cheese and some mozzarella cheese. You do eggplants, tomato sauce, the Parmesan cheese, and the mozzarella cheese. And then you go to the next row. It's a whole pound of cheese. So you can be very generous with it. Okay, I got two left here. Where's Andy? I always eat them when I'm frying. They taste so good. Andy, Mama's here. That's easy. Oh, that was fast. What more? Just like this. And the dog likes them too. Now I'm going to put in the oven, set at 350 for about ½ hour. Then we're going to check them. But we're going to cover them with aluminum foil. And what I do is spray the aluminum foil with parm so the cheese doesn't stick to it. And then in ½ hour we check it and cook it the remaining time without a cover to make the cheese gets a little brown. It took about 45 minutes to cook on 350 in the oven. And now we're going to cut into it. I wish you were here to taste my eggplant parmesan. Oh, delicious. Oh, so good. The recipe is in the description below. Taste all that cheese on it. I gave you my recipe for my famous eggplant parmesan that my family loves. So get busy and try it. It's not that hard. Leave a comment. Click to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.